Welcome back everyone. And today we are going to talk about on how we can use the end trigger in Geometry Dash. So a lot of people are having problems when using the end trigger. Basically, to explain, this is really useful, especially when you build your platformer game right here and your game doesn't end. Of course, this is a platformer version, not a classic. It doesn't have an end. Now we can die right here. We can do all sorts of stuff, but essentially the game will not end. Now to use the end trigger, basically, if you just place it on your level editor, let's select or navigate to the end function, place the end right here. And then if I play out the level, it will not do everything. Now this is where most people get it wrong because it will not work on anything if you just play it on your level editor. So before we proceed, you can also edit out the end trigger by navigating to the end, click on edit objects, and from here you could do something like the touch trigger in order to make sure that you do not get sucked in on the trigger itself. It will only finish the level if you touch it. In here you have something like if you want to happen it instantly, no effects or as effects. In my case, since this is a platformer, I'll just select the touch trigger. In here, I'm going to click on the save and play. And basically, if you play out the level normally as a platformer, it will then allow us to basically touch the trigger and it will then finish out our level. But if you do not enable the touch trigger, what's going to happen is that the end trigger will then go ahead and suck you in. So let's click on the edit level, click edit objects, and disable the touch trigger. And then I'm also going to enable instant option so you can guys see right here. And if you play out the R level normally, basically our character will then get sucked in because it's close to our spawn trigger. So you want to make sure to enable the touch trigger in order to simply end the level right after going through the end trigger right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.